Active Lane Keeping Assist uses steering wheel vibrations to warn against leaving the lane unintentionally and actively intervenes if danger arises. Should the camera detect that lane markings are being crossed unintentionally in the speed range between 60 and 200 km per hour, the steering wheel vibrates to indicate that the driver should countersteer. The sensitivity of the warning can be adjusted via a menu in the instrument cluster. In the basic version, when crossing solid road markings, there is an additional one-sided braking intervention to actively guide the vehicle back into its lane. In the driving assistance package, the radar sensors additionally monitor the traffic in the adjacent lane. If there is a risk of collision, for example with oncoming traffic, or if the adjacent lane is occupied by parallel traffic, the one-sided braking intervention is also initiated when broken lane markings are crossed.